How to fill the Arcade Facilitator program? I am getting this comment again and again. So let's have a quick dry run for the Arcade Facilitator program. How does the form looks? How we have to fill it? And before we start, make sure you like the video and subscribe the channel. Coming over here directly to the form section. Like this, a form will be released. You'll be getting the form on the community post also, on our videos also, and even in the main website. That is the Arcade Facilitator program website. Here in the enroll section, you can see it will be opening soon. As the registration is scheduled to 13th of July, you'll be getting the update by then only around 5 p.m. So make sure all the required things which I'll tell you ready beforehand so that you are able to get all the things. Okay. So I'm showing you the registration process. After that, we'll talk about other things also. So here you can see you have to select the email with which you have created the account. Okay. The Skills Boost account needs to be created. First of all, let me just tell you what are the things we require. Then it will be easier for you to understand. So first one is Google Skills and second one is Google Developer. I'll show you how you have to create in the upcoming videos also. Here we are just showing you a complete registration guide so you're able to understand over here. Now here you have to click on next like this. And then you have to just agree all the terms and condition. I accept. Enter your full name. On the top of it, there will be some details you have to fill. Your personal details mostly you have to fill. Select your country. Anyone can participate in this particular program. There is no restriction. Student, working, developer, anything you can mention. Year of graduation. Then if you have a code which you'll be sharing, do not worry about it. You have to select yes and then click on next. Here you can see it's asking for email with which you have created the skills account. So for that you have to go to skills.google. The account which we have created. If you're not created, you can do the sign up process. It's very simple. If you need a video, you can just check the main video which I have attached in the description box. How to participate in the Arcade program. Now you have to enter the connected email. You can see here is the particular email. You have to copy this email and paste over here. Now simply click on next and then you'll find this particular referral code. How will find the referral code? Let me just show you. Okay. So this is the referral code on the Telegram channel also. It is updated. So you can find from there also or you can just check from there also. Okay. Means this code is expired. You don't have to use this particular code. You have to simply enter the code over here, whichever I'll share, then click on yes. Okay. And then click on next. Now here you have to share your public skills profile. Just like we enabled the public profile, you have to copy this particular public profile from here. Okay. Make sure it is public. Then click on this link, right click, copy the link address. Process is very simple. Just you have to paste over here and then next, I acknowledge and just submit. Around 24 to 48 hours, you'll be getting the update regarding the mail that whether you are registered or not registered. So the process is very simple. Okay. Some important things you need to understand. Registration will start from 13th of July, but it may close by 20th of July. I think it will close by 15 or 16 July for sure because a lot of people will participate. So I'll share the form link on the community post and the code directly on the community post also on the Telegram channel. And after that, I'll make a video. I hope you are able to understand this important step because chances are there you may be able to participate, you may not be able to participate, but I'll suggest we'll upload all the things. How will find the post? In the channel section, you can see the post section. It will be updated over here. From here, you can just check out the code also and paste the code and register. Registration process you have seen. In case you don't know how to register in the platform, you are participating for the first time, I've attached a link from the video. Okay. Where you can understand how to participate in the Arcade program means registration part and do the subscription. Now here, once you have registered, you have to wait for 24 to 48 hours. You will be getting all the details like you'll be getting credits, around 600 credits for completing the skill badges. Now the benefit of joining the Facilitator program is that here you'll be getting some more cool bonus points over here. Let me just show you. So here you can see with just 2 months of effort, you'll be getting 90 points. Okay. Here, only 12 games are counted, but September games are not counted. If you really want how to reach 120 points, you can watch the video in the description. We'll cover everything in detail. Also, how to participate in the Arcade program, you can watch the video that also. I've attached the link in the description. One more important thing I wanted to share, that don't do July games as of now. If you see the syllabus, you can see July games are live. Still, you can do the July games. There is no restriction because they are giving 18 games this time as being counted as a milestone. Okay, but if you do, chances are there you'll be later achieving the milestone, which will result in loss of SWAGs. Okay, so just start from 13th of July whenever you are registered and then you can begin your journey. So this was a quick update I wanted to share. If you still have any doubts, do let me in the comment section. Thank you, goodbye, and have a great day ahead. Do like the video, share the video, and hype the video too.